Welcome to the second video on chemical world. So in this video I'm going to talk about a few different things, but I'm trying to keep always at the back of our minds this whole concept of sustainability. Some of the chapters there involve reaction rates. We can do several experiments. Actually, there's a series of experiments that I might make videos on later on involving fizzy tablets. Very simple way for students to realize how reactions happen and how they can vary in their rates, how you can get reactions to happen quicker or indeed slower. And another chapter on exothermic and endothermic reactions. Can there be a chemical reaction, for example, that will give off energy? In which case, could we use chemical reactions as a means of getting energy? Can we use an endothermic reaction to actually take heat out of the atmosphere? Could we have a series of endothermic reactions happening that would actually reduce global warming? All of these chapters have a wider interest in the whole concept of sustainability going forward. So earlier we spoke about matter, we got onto the periodic table, we spoke about elements and compounds and mixtures and solutions. In all of these things, we are really moving towards this whole concept of getting away from a linear motion of matter, trying to avoid over-extraction of matter from the planet and basically burying it in holes in the ground, including landfill. So at all times we can just keep in mind that all this matter can be somehow reused, upcycled, recycled, and maybe use materials that would lend themselves to being reused in that way. And if we can do that, then we will have had been a major part of the drive towards students understanding how matter can be conserved and reused over and over again for future generations, and avoid over-extraction and a linear motion on matter, and try and introduce a circular motion on matter and help in sustainability in the long run.